Back to my channel. So today I thought I'll make an amazing recipe of homemade gulab jamuns, which can easily be made with some ingredients that are in your house. So what I have taken for this recipe, I have taken desi ghee. I have left the ingredients in the description bar for you, so you can see the entire ingredients. This is ghee, clarified butter. This is milk powder. This is suji. It's also known as semolina. I've taken some milk. I've taken baking powder. This is baking powder. I've taken flour, and I've also taken a pinch of cardamom powder. This is flour. This is milk powder, semolina, milk, baking soda. Sorry, this is baking soda, and this is clarified. This is desi ghee. It's known as clarified butter. So I will be mixing everything in a bowl. Mixing all the ingredients, I still feel that it's really dry. So I'm going to add another tablespoon of milk in it. Although I've used 2 to 3 tablespoon milk, but because it's very dry and I have to form a dough, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of more milk. I'm able to I have formed a dough, and now I have to make 8 or 9 small balls out of it. Okay, I'm going to make 8 to 9 small balls, and it has to be very soft. Okay, guys, I was able to make 6 from the first batch. Okay, I was able to prepare 6, and then I made a second batch because I wanted to make at least 10 or 11 out of it. So if you use the same quantity and make another batch, then you are able to make 12 or 11 out of it. From the first batch I made 6, and from the other batch also I made 6. Okay, so total for 12 gulab jamuns, you can double the quantity that I have used. The ingredients that I have told you, that was for one batch. If you double the quantity, you will be able to make 12 gulab jamuns for that purpose. So now these are ready. I'm just going to let them sit for a few minutes, and then I'm going to prepare the sugar syrup. Going to make the sugar syrup, in which we will have to put the gulab jamun in it. Okay, so I've taken 2 cups of water. I've taken 3 cardamoms. You can see that these are cardamom pods. I've taken 3 of them, and I have taken 3/4 cup of sugar. Okay, you can also add 1 cup sugar, but I'm using 3/4 cup of sugar. Okay, this is sugar. I'm going to add that. Sometimes this camera is okay. So I've added the sugar. I've added 3/4 cup of sugar, and I've used this measurement of the cup. You can also, I'll be adding in 1 lemon. Okay, I'm going to add the juice of 1 lemon inside this mixture. Now I have kept the stove on a medium low. I've kept the stove on medium low. You don't want the flame to be very high. I'm going to wait for the entire sugar to dissolve, and I'm going to wait for the syrup to become a little bit thickish, and then I will show you the consistency. If you can see that there are sugar granules in the pot, and I want them to completely dissolve. The sugar syrup is ready. The entire sugar has dissolved, and I let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes, and then now I've closed the stove, and I'm just going to let this be till I fry my gulab jamuns. Now I'm going to be frying my gulab jamuns. For that purpose, I have put my oil on the stove for boiling for on uh, medium high, and I'm going to wait for it to boil. If you can see that the bubbles are already formed. Guys, I have transferred the gulab jamuns in the syrup, in the sugar syrup, and I had also put on the stove, and I made the sugar syrup hot, and then I put all these fried gulab jamuns. If you can see, I have given them this brownish color. You don't have to over cook them. It shouldn't be black in color. It should have a nice brown color. And now it's soaking in the sugar syrup for 1 hour. We are going to let it soak for 1 hour, and then I will show you the final gulab jamun that I have prepared. I'm just going to let it soak in the sugar syrup for 1 hour. So the gulab jamuns are absolutely ready. They look so amazing. Guys, give this easy recipe a try and subscribe to my channel. This is so delicious.